Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you the unboxing of MX Ergo Logitech mouse. So let's get ahead to the unboxing. So I will just open it from the bottom. As you can see, there's the foil. I will just show you right now. And there is the mouse as well. There is a cable for it and an instruction. So you have a little dongle right here. I will just quickly show you everything inside of the box. So there's a package with a cable. You open it sideways and there's the instructions. As you can see, all of the instructions, make sure to read that. And there's also a cable. It's a USB-C cable, mini USB cable, and that is it from the unboxing. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.